Welcome, aspiring chefs, to my cooking channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes. Blessed Sunday, and God bless everyone with good life, good health, success, and financial blessings. Before we jump into our topic, I would like to apologize for the delay of my videos. It's because my recent phone had technical issues and now it is resting. After all of that, I'm very blessed by God because He blessed me with good parents to be able to afford and buy my new cell phone that would be a good alternative device for my DSLR camera. Additionally, may God bless us and give us the chance to have more food tours in our next travel in Asia this 2024. Kindly pray for us so that you may watch and learn about this favorite cuisine that I also liked. Today's food tour would be all about the #1 Chinese fine dining restaurant in the Philippines and awarded from Tatler Dining is the Canton Road in Shangri-La BGC. I would say this is the best. What I love the most is the professionals are women and had a really excellent experience and service there. They are more friendly compared to other hotels. The food is delicious and my rating for overall is 100/100 with 10 stars rating. I have been a lot of fine dining restaurants, but this is the #1, to be honest. Even in another country, I've been there in fine dining restaurants, but I would say this is the best. Everyone loves Chinese cuisine, and it is what we usually love to eat aside from our local cuisine, Filipino cuisine. It is awesome to see in the hospitality industry surrounded by professional women, not always men. So if you're excited to watch this video, so let's watch this right now.
Don't you think that I can see you anxiously? Try not to catch a glimpse of me. Don't you worry, it's okay to take a peek. See the magic words now, pretty please. Yeah, you try to hide it, and you've gotten curious. So let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. 'Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feel.